Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel People and Geography. Again I have selected one topic from physical geography, that is elastic rebound theory. This theory is not only important for the graduation students but also important for UGC NET, CSI NET, SET, JRF type of examination. And in other competitive examination like UPSC and WBCS, this theory is very much important for descriptive point of view. So without wasting time, we are about to start. Please take a pencil, pen, paper with you so that important point you can write it down. Okay, so let's start. First, elastic rebound theory. Who has given the theory? Harry Fielding Reid. He was a geologist and he gave the concept on geological point of view. But before formulating this theory, one incident happened in 1906 in San Francisco. That is, severe earthquake in San Francisco on 18 April 1906. This earthquake made him believe that earthquake is the cause of elasticity. But how? In this theory, I am going to explain. You just look at the picture that I have given here. This is what actually the San Andreas Fault, which is located in San Francisco, and here two type of plate are there, that is North American plate, another is Pacific plate. Okay, and see this picture here, one point I have marked yellow color, that is the San Andreas Fault, and San Andreas Fault is located like that. Okay, it is just the western part of USA. Next, as the theory is mostly associated with fault, so we have to understand the plate boundary at first. There are two type of plate boundaries. One is Pacific plate, another is North American plate. You just see the picture in detail. Look at the directions. Blue color, it is the direction of Pacific plate, which is northwest, and look at the direction, that is North American plate, direction is southeast. So it is just the opposite. One is like this, another is like that. So in this plate boundary, which type of plate boundary it is? Transform boundary. We know that three types of plate boundary are there, that is convergent, like this type, it is convergent, divergent, like the opposite side, and another is transform plate boundary. So San Andreas Fault is located on the transform plate boundary. I am writing here transform plate boundary. TPB. Okay, so this is the fault. Next, how this earthquake formed? See this picture here, this one and this one, elastic rebound theory. Suppose you think one rubber band, if you stretch it, the energy is stored. But when the stress of the rubber band is more than its strength, then what will happen? Definitely broken like this. Again, I am repeating, you try to understand, because if rubber band concept you can understand, this theory is going to very easy for you. Suppose you have a rubber band. If you stretch it, the energy will be stored. But if the stress is greater than its strength, then it will break. So after breaking, what will happen? The stored energy will release suddenly. This is how the earthquake has formed. That means you will just look this diagram. Two type of plates are there. Suppose you think this is Pacific plate, and suppose you think this is North American plate. Okay, so two plates actually, the boundary is divergent boundary, and while continuing the stress and the energy stored, suddenly on 18th April what happened, that the stress become greater than the strength of the rock. As a result, what happened? It broke into pieces, or it displaced, and when released, that is the one energy that is released, and this is why the earthquake formed. Got it? This is what the theory Reid talked about, and it is mathematically, scientifically, geologically very true. Rocks also contain energy, and it has a power to take the stress, but when the stress is more than strength, then it breaks, and when it breaks, the energy releases, and in this way earthquake happens. Okay, please try to read down the important line that I have pasted here, and your understanding will be clear. Still, if you have still any doubt, you can write down in the comment section. Those who are watching my video on regular basis, if you want to get this type of video further, you can subscribe my channel People and Geography. Okay, keep studying. Bye.